my name's Space. And my name's Sky. We reached 100 subscribers and I'm super duper happy. Wow, confetti, run! Okay, as I was saying, Space, so we got 100 subscribers and this is really good, right? We have to make more videos. Okay, Space, as I was saying, I'm really sad because there's no treats and I thought I was gonna... Wait, did you see that fall from the sky? No, it can't be. No, treats can't be falling from the sky. We're just too unlucky. Yeah. Treats fell from the sky. Let's eat it. This is so cool. Yum, 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 yummy. Yummy. I sense something. I'm moving. Huh? I'm just gonna continue eating. Huh? Ah! Space, do you see all those 100 confettis fall from the sky? Like 100 subscribers. The treats are back. I thought we lost them. Yeah, and those jumps scared me. Why don't you tell me? Watch it roll. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Hey, you guys, get us to reach 200 subscribers so we can have more treats like this. Bye.